Have you ever been in a situation where you wish your dash cam could keep an eye on your car even when you're not around? Or worse, you've come back to your parked car and wondered if something happened while you were away. What if I told you there's a solution that not only ensures your dash cam stays powered, but also helps protect your car while it's parked? Enter the Nextbase Piqo Pro Install Hardwire Kit, a game changer for your Nextbase Piqo dash cam. Welcome back to the Autovated channel, where we break down the best automotive tech for you. Today, we're looking at the Nextbase Piqo Pro Install Hardwire Kit. This product promises to elevate your dash cam's capabilities, adding features like smart parking, battery voltage protection, and a clean, easy installation. But does it deliver? Let's dive into it. This hardwiring kit is specifically designed for the Nextbase Piqo dash cam. The key feature? It allows your Piqo to enable smart parking. That means the G sensor kicks in when your ignition is off, and the camera automatically records any impacts while your car is parked. This is a fantastic feature for those concerned about hit and runs or just want extra peace of mind when away from their vehicle. But how does it all work? The kit provides a permanent power supply to your camera, ensuring that it's always ready when you need it. Another essential feature is the battery voltage protection. This is crucial for avoiding that dreaded situation where your dash cam drains your car's battery. The built-in voltage limiter automatically cuts the power to your Piqo when your battery hits a minimum threshold, preventing the drain. No more worrying about a dead car battery after leaving your dash cam connected for extended periods. The camera only powers on and records when it detects an incident, saving your vehicle's power and your sanity. Now let's talk about installation. This is where the Piqo Pro Install Hardwire Kit shines. The installation process is straightforward. Connect the kit to your car's fuse box, and you're done. The cable is a neat 1 meter length, designed for a secure and tidy fit in both 12-volt and 24-volt fuse boxes, making it compatible with most cars and trucks. Plus, it includes 4 different types of fuses to suit various vehicle models and a ferrite core to reduce electrical interference. Pros: smart parking enables your Nextbase Piqo to record impacts while parked. Battery voltage protection prevents battery drain and ensures the dash cam only records when needed. Easy installation, quick and tidy setup with a clean, organized finish. Wide compatibility, works with most vehicles and fuse boxes, 12 volts and 24 volts. Cons: exclusively for Nextbase Piqo, this kit only works with the Nextbase Piqo, limiting compatibility with other models. Basic setup. While it's easy to install, some may find it a little too basic if they want additional features like a full wiring kit with extended reach. When it comes to value for money, the Piqo Pro Install Hardwire Kit offers excellent reliability and functionality at a fair price, considering the permanent power solution and parking security it provides. If you're already using the Nextbase Piqo, this kit is a no-brainer, just the right complement to extend its features. Comparing it to similar products in the market, the Piqo kit stands out for its specific focus on both smart parking and battery protection. While there are other universal hardwiring kits, few offer the same level of integration and dedicated features for Nextbase dash cams. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience with their Nextbase Piqo dash cam. Whether you're a daily commuter who needs that added security or someone who often parks in busy areas, this product delivers the peace of mind you're looking for. Verdict: if you're looking for a seamless, reliable way to enhance your Nextbase Piqo dash cam, the Piqo Pro Install Hardwire Kit is a strong option. It offers essential features like smart parking and battery protection, ensuring that your car is always safe and your camera is always ready. If this breakdown has been helpful and you want to stay in the know about the latest in automotive tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews. Want more information or have any questions about this kit? Drop a comment below. And if you've already used it, share your thoughts with us. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next ride. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments box and the description, if you want to check them out. Goodbye till next time. Autovated, and always on the road to the latest in auto tech.